Hello, Michelle Atkinson here, the high school principal. I am going to be reviewing the safety plan and the external community stakeholders meetings that I will be conducting with local law enforcement and local first responders. The reason why we have chosen the local law enforcement and first responders to review our safety plan is because they are the experts in this knowledge. Meeting with them and going over the latest and most cohesive plans for our school safety will benefit our students by making them safe, as well as creating a safe environment in which they can learn. Some of the proactive/preventative measures that we will be reviewing and updating will be our rumor hotline, our SAP, child study and in-school counseling, regular drills, police visits and walkthroughs, ID cards for students and staff, as well as our crisis response team formation. Some interventions that we will be going through will be doors locked and buzzer entry, cameras, school alarms at the high school, after-school security, and window shades and obstructions. Some of the reactive measures that we will be going through: direct call buttons to 911, all ring directions on all school phones, go buckets, the run, hide, fight training, and the reunification plan. Again, gaining insight from local law enforcement and first responders is the best way to go with this, as they are the experts on this knowledge.